Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we'll cover some of the best Android apps in 2021. Of course the list is based on my personal opinion, so don't forget to mention your favorite apps in the description. The first app on our list is Groupon. For online shopping, this is a great app. With this one, you'll find the latest discounts and deals. So if you're looking for a way to save more money and keep track of the latest deals and discounts, you should definitely use Groupon. The next app on our list is LastPass, a great password manager to keep your passwords safe and secure and stop using the same password in all your accounts. This tool will generate powerful passwords to all your accounts and automatically save them. All you have to remember is your master password, and LastPass is available in all devices and you can start using it right now for free. The next app on our list is WPS Office. This app offers similar tools to your favorites from Microsoft Office like Word, Excel and PowerPoint for free. A great way to open and work on your files and projects from your phone, and definitely one of the best Microsoft Office alternatives. Of course, for the best experience and features, using the software version from WPS Office or Microsoft Office is better, but this is a great way to work on your files from your phone while traveling. The next app on our list is PixArch, one of the best photo editors for Android users with an easy to use interface and all the necessary features to create professional looking designs easily. They also have a simple to use video editor for basic video editing. There is a premium version with more features and options, but the free version is still amazing and a great way to start working on your files. The next app on our list is Brave, one of the best private and secure web browsers for Android users with some powerful privacy and security settings to block ads, prevent tracking, and it's simple to use. Just download it and add it to your phone, and all the settings for privacy and security are enabled by default, so you'll have a better and faster web browser. If you're interested about privacy, I made videos about the best private web browsers for Android and also for Windows. The links will be in the description. The next app on our list is Spotify. For music, Spotify is an awesome app to listen to your favorite singers and musicians with a beautiful and simple interface to follow and listen to your favorite genres of music. The free version is limited with ads included and the standard audio quality. Going with the paid option is recommended, but the free plan will work just fine. The next app on our list is Todoist. To be more productive and organize your daily life, Todoist is an amazing app. You can use it to create lists for what you want to accomplish and stay on track with your work. If you don't use any apps to schedule what to do and when to do it, then I highly recommend starting, and Todoist is an easy to use app with some powerful features. The next app on our list is Pocket, to save your favorite articles and web pages and create your lists of content and organize them by categories. You can also browse their list of articles to find something interesting to read. This is a popular app and also available as an extension for all web browsers. And the next app on our list is Google Drive. We all have Google accounts, so why not save your files with free storage? With Google Drive you get 15 gigabytes of storage. You can use it to free up the space on your phone by uploading files to your Google account, and also you can use it to back up your important files to avoid losing them and keep them safe. And the final app on our list is Nova Launcher. If you are looking for a way to customize your home screen, Nova Launcher, one of the most popular Android launcher apps with some great features and advanced options to make your interface faster, cleaner, and overall better. I tried to cover apps in a variety of topics and categories so everyone will find an interesting option, and all these apps are based on my personal preferences, so don't forget to mention your favorite apps in the description And if this video was helpful and interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.